FGEN, stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether FibroGen stock is a buy or not for me, so watch this short video till the end. FibroGen is sitting at 137. It's like 17% up for the day. And I do see that with FGen, I haven't made a video on it previously. Oh, I've actually did. I did, so my bad. Didn't see that coming, but it was some kind of bullish idea, but we made new highs, and now we're actually coming back into this demand zone, which is amazing, right? This is okay. Like I'm also late on this one, late to the party, but whatever. We've seen one break, only one, so this could be a part of something big. So if only if the price pulls down and gives me the rules, only then I'm pulling the trigger. So I'm waiting for my rules. I'm gonna manage status here to be met. So it's obviously not financial advice. If you want to learn my strategy for free, check the first link in the description. It's absolutely free, and I'll see you in the next video.